So in this video, you'll learn how to use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36 or A26. So the first step is to enable it. So to do that, you want to open settings and then you want to scroll and select display. Under display, look for edge panels and tap on it, and then you want to ensure that edge panels are enabled. Once enabled, you then want to add the compass to the edge panels. So to do that, simply select panels and then swipe through the different options until you find tools, then tap on it to select it. Once it's been selected, it means that you've successfully added that specific edge panel to the list of options you'll normally have. So now all you need to do is just close the settings app and then swipe to access the edge panels. Then from here, swipe again until you get to the tools section. And then the first tool that you'll see is the built-in compass. So all you need to do is just tap on next to configure the compass and then move your phone around so that it can get used to the movement. And once you've done that, you can see the compass is now being calibrated. So whenever you point your phone in a specific direction, you'll notice the compass moving again to follow that specific direction. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to be using this compass on your phone. If you feel as if you need to recalibrate it, then you can always just tap on calibrate, then move your phone up and down so that it can be calibrated. And once you've done that, it will then hopefully show you the correct coordinates. Then you can even see down here, you'll have your location as well as the latitude and longitude of your location. And so that's how you can use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 or A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.